What is up, everybody? Look at these. Luscious. Ooh, they're perfectly ripe. Very good. Very good. Me and the Firewood Patrol dog are coming at you from the Nipa hardwoods. We got a very specific message about suspicious cutting sounds coming from and around my property lines. So it's a Firewood dog's first active patrol. No, just playing. We'll just see what's going on. I doubt anything. I think it's one of my neighbors clearing some land. But don't tell my wife it's an excuse to get away from work and come walk in the woods. Keep that a secret, though.